Earning money on TikTok is now easier than ever. And you shouldn't miss the game-changing step-by-step blueprint that creators uses to make tens of thousands of dollars. Using the niche and strategies that I am about to reveal, I will debunk the myths about setting the US TikTok account from abroad. So stay with me till the end of the video. Let's get into your very first viral video and 10,000 followers, and qualify for the Creativity Program Beta. You are probably here because TikTok pays $1 per 1,000 views, which is way more than the few cents that YouTube Shorts offers. And I will guide you through legitimate method to set up TikTok account from anywhere. To launch a successful TikTok channel, finding the right niche is crucial. I always go through research and start with a niche which is not only interesting to me, but also has maximum opportunities of affiliate marketing and brand deals and many more. This strategy lets you start earning immediately and also help you to earn more in less time. I focus on niches that offer more than just views. They open up the world of potential earnings. Before we jump into our niche, remember, TikTok rules are fluid as it's new, and originality is the key. Using Reddit stories and Minecraft visuals might seem easy, but TikTok flags unoriginal content, and Reddit is already playing this game. Mixing content won't cut it either, as your revenue per 1,000 views RPM could suffer. Assuming that you have 1 million views, but TikTok only pays for qualified views. So here you have to make your own original content in order to gain more qualified views. Today we will dive into the world of what would happen videos, a niche that is getting much attraction and views every single time. Consider this TikTok account. This account compares different countries' militaries and economic status, and has gained over 19,000 followers. Each video of this account gains over 10,000 views, but some videos has gained over 1 million views. Here is another account with same niche. It has gained over 60,000 followers, and each video has gained over 100,000 views. And how simple these videos are and gain much views.
What would happen if the UK attacked Afghanistan? Immediately, UK's forces, among the world's elite, spring into action. But Afghanistan, the graveyard of empires, stands resilient.
I will take the same video for our example and make it even better. From script writing to voiceover and video editing, I will cover all points. First, we will copy same script and modify it. I will be turning to ChatGPT to craft a new script and make it even more better and unique. For transcribing the video, I will use Filmora. First, open the Filmora app and import the video. Now click on the video and select text-to-speech option. Once you select it, now here select the translation language. I will choose English, and it will take a while in transcribing. Once it is completed, now click on the subtitle file and select Export Subtitle File. You can save it where you want. Now I will be turning to ChatGPT to craft the new script. For better results, I will copy same script and paste it into ChatGPT. This transcription contains timing, so we will ask ChatGPT to remove timing from this transcription. Once script is simplified, I will ask ChatGPT to modify script and also create images prompt for each scene. As you can see, that images prompts for each scene is ready. Now it's time to convert the images prompt to images for our content. For this, I can use any preferable AI software. But I will use Leonardo AI for AI image creation, but you can use every software you want. First, I will return to ChatGPT and copy the image prompts to generate an AI image. Now I will copy image prompt from ChatGPT. And now I will open Leonardo AI and generate AI images through it. Now simply download the images and use the same process for all the scenes once you downloaded the images. Now it's time to do voiceover for the video. For voiceover, I personally use Play HT. It is a free AI voice generator, and here you can also clone your voice for free. Here we'll find many voices that you can use for your video, but I will choose this voice as it is good for our video. Once you choose the voice, now copy the script from ChatGPT that we created and hit here. Now simply click on the generate. As it is generated, you can simply download it. Once VoiceOver is completed, now it's time for editing. For editing, I will use CapCut. But you can use any software you want. First, open CapCut and import all the images and voiceovers that we generated for the video. Once you import this, now arrange the images according to VoiceOver. And also add some animation to every image. Once you do this, now simply export it. And now I will show how you can set up US TikTok account. From anywhere, you can simply use VPN to set up your account. It is better than any account purchase. Thanks for staying till the end. If you enjoyed watching the video, or this video has helped you in any way, so please like the video and subscribe to our channel so you can stay tuned for latest updates. See you in the next video.